welcome to the second episode of AllasYummyFood travels to New York and all the best dessert places. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode. If you haven't seen part 1, do check it out, especially if you're going to New York. You're gonna love this and you're a foodie. Yeah, these videos are literally out for foodies, and if you just enjoy watching people eating, then you can watch me and my friend eat a lot of food. And we did exercise a lot. We were walking everywhere, so every day we were doing about 20,000, from 20 to 25,000 steps, which is a lot. And absolutely exhausted. Very happy though. Really looking forward to your comments, so let me know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed this video and what place seemed like the one that you really want to try and go. And if you need any advice, just message me as well. Enjoy. Hello. Day 2.
Trying out pastries and bakeries.
We're both in red as always, you know.
Yes, stand out.
It's still pretty freezing here in New York. Yeah, so we're going to the place called Spot. Spot?
It's called Spot. Dessert bar.
So it's a weird name, but it has, I don't actually know. I don't remember which one.
It has some unique desserts. We'll show you guys when we get there.
We can't wait to try. There it is, guys. You can hardly spot it.
Yeah, we almost
Hardly spot the spot bar. All right, let's get in. Exciting. Yes. So this is the menu. We're having a hard time to pick. We're also gonna go for the 3 dessert set for $32. Ooh, that. I like this doesn't have too much, right? We can choose.
Yeah, exactly.
This is our first dessert. Basically, we're gonna eat a bit of soil. Are you ready, Flori?
I'm ready. Soil this plant.
The soil dessert. Wow,
Yeah,
look at that.
this.
Oh, inside there?
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is cool. Alright.
It's quite artistic.
Alright, so I'm gonna water my plant.
There you go.
Oh, this is cool. Oh shit, I'm missing.
I think we're just going to be little by little, but
Oh,
that's fine.
I think I just messed it up already. Alright.
It's fine.
Right.
It's meant to be like a cheesecake.
Right, okay, I'm gonna dig in.
Nah.
All the way to the end, right?
Yeah. You have to get all of the layers. Wow.
I did. Wow, look at that. Okay.
There's a lot of crumble there.
You guys.
Okay, let's see what it's like.
Oh wow. That is really cool. Very, very different.
And there's
I
also...
don't even know what I'm eating. Yeah, and I think I even had a berry. I just want to show you. Oh, there it is.
Oh,
See? Strawberries and blueberries.
oh, nice.
Okay, we're gonna go.
And there's also ice cream, don't forget about that.
Right, and we'll try and get... Yeah, get everything.
Ooh.
Very neat cheesecake. Yeah.
Wow. So many flavors.
We made a mess, but it's fine. So this is chocolate pistachio, right?
Yeah.
So we have pistachio ice cream, chocolate bomb with chocolate ganache inside, chocolate mousse. Definitely very chocolatey. But it's nice. It's like dark chocolate.
Yeah, definitely.
But it's very rich.
Yeah, I did say that.
And the chocolate inside is very rich as well. It's like dark chocolate. I'm just gonna try a bit of pistachio ice cream. See if that cools off the. That's really nice. Oh, it keeps oozing out.
How good is that?
Let's see if that's better.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're a chocolate lover, aren't you?
Definitely a chocolate heaven.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure I could have this on my own.
Yeah, I know. It's too much, isn't it?
Oh wow.
Okay, this is our third one. It was honey butter toast, right?
Yeah.
Got vanilla ice cream, strawberries.
How would you describe it?
It's very indulgent. It's kind of like a French toast, something similar, right?
Yeah, I was trying to think of the word. That's the one. French toast.
Sorry, not jam, I meant ice cream. Is this vanilla ice cream?
Yep.
Maybe a bit of strawberry.
I think it goes really well. You'll be the verdict.
Oh wow.
The combination's really good.
But that is
I need to do that. I didn't.
that's much better. That's mind blowing. Whoa. I think that's why I have to have it all. Wow.
Yeah, you want to have it all, the pieces together.
Okay guys, our next location, Bakehouse. Moon House, right? Is it? So our next location is Superman.
SUPERMOON.
SUPERMOON!
Bakehouse.
So our next location is SUPERMOON Bakehouse. Let's go in. Let's check this out. It looks very interesting design. Oh my god. Oh wow, smells really good. Look at that. Oh wow, you can literally pick. I must say the seating here is really uncomfortable. Oh, it's like the tiniest table, you can see where our legs are. But look at that. We're gonna try one at a time. We decided we're gonna try with the strawberry one.
I'm hoping this is going to go well, but I might have to touch it. Oh wow.
Wow, it's very crunchy.
Sorry.
It's hard to hear because this music is really loud here.
I'm tearing
Yeah, just pour it apart. Yeah, pull it. Oh, pull it.
Let's do this.
Oh
this
my
out.
god.
Strawberry
Wow.
cheesecake flavour.
Oh my god. I've never seen that before. This one's a bit empty, but wow. Just want to show you. It's a fresh mascarpone cream, strawberry. I can't wait to try this. You go ahead. I don't even know how to try this, but yeah, go for it.
Okay, right. Oh, wow. So good.
Is it really good?
The strawberry is very pungent.
Oh wow, yeah.
It tastes very light. They've definitely got the strawberry kick.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
and that is so pretty as well. I don't know how to do this. It's very big.
Did you order a cappuccino? Okay, it's ready on the bar.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's like really creamy. Yeah, it's good. Very strawberry, isn't it?
Yeah.
I need to eat more of that. It's got strawberry jam inside.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
Oh wow. Never ever tried croissant like that.
Yeah.
So it's definitely a first, yeah. I'm back. This is the apple pie with a baby croissant, salted caramel, OMG, and it's warm. I don't even know what to say. Okay, we're ready for this next bomb. Go, Flori.
Okay.
You're our expert at cutting croissants. Oh wow.
Oh my god. Oh no. I ruined the presentation now.
Don't worry, it's all about the taste, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it smells amazing. I can smell it from here.
I don't even know how to show this. Like.
Oh god, yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. I don't even know. Is that apples? That's apples.
Yeah, it's apples.
Wait, I'm gonna try and lift it up like here. Oh my god. Okay, this is unbelievable, guys. It's warm. It's so warm.
Take a big bite.
I need to hold the top. Oh really?
Yeah. Definitely tastes like apple pie.
Really?
In a croissant.
It's got a baby croissant, yeah?
Yeah. Apple pie within a croissant. Very nice. I can taste cinnamon in it as well.
Oh, nice. It's got like a lot of stuff going on there. Oh wow, look at
A
that.
lot of apple.
Oh my god. That's kind of healthy, right? Okay. I feel like you've given me a bigger piece here.
Oh, it just happened.
proper. Oh wow.
Look at that.
Oh my god. That's really good.
Yeah.
It's so juicy actually. Which
Yeah.
is really to say with croissant. It's literally got the apple pie filling inside. I'm just gonna try this crunch on top. I don't know what it is. Oh wow. It's like a nutty based meringue that is amazing. That's really good. I don't know how we're gonna finish this. Okay, we're gonna do the last one. It's a corn and salted caramel, right? Okay. I'm holding it to cut it.
We'll get in there. Ooh.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Oh my god. Wow, that looks amazing.
It really does.
I don't even know how to try this. But I'm gonna
Chop
cut
off
a tiny bit here. So I get a bit of a cream. Oh, I think that's the salted caramel over here.
Oh yes.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh god, the job is amazing. Is this a product? It's a product.
It's a CRUFFIN. It's a CRUFFIN. I don't know what that is.
Wow. It's really good. It's very fresh, airy, crunchy, soft, very sugary. Oh wow. It's like transparent with the sun.
Wow.
Did you just put that in your nose? Oh my god. I can't really taste the sweet corn. Can you taste the sweet corn?
No, I can't.
It's more like chantilly vanilla cream, isn't it? Maybe that's the cream on top. It said it's a sweet corn cream, but see if it actually is. You got the salted caramel?
Just this little block, yes.
Oh my god. Wow. We stopped at the Doughnutary. Lots of you recommended this place, so we actually just randomly stopped here. We ordered 4 different flavors. We're gonna eat it on the tube. I'm just gonna show you. So they are quite small, not what I thought. They're like mini donuts. And these are all the different toppings that they dipped in. And I'm guessing that's how you get different flavors. So we're getting 12 donuts with 4 different flavors. Yeah. Okay, we're on a train. On the tube. Subway. So we're gonna start with our donuts. We've got a long way to go to Brighton Beach, isn't it? So do you want to get the bag?
Yeah. So we go. Got 4 different flavours over here.
Oh yeah, let's see. We don't even know which ones are which.
So I'm just going to pick one randomly. There you go. This one.
Oh, it tells you. It tells
Okay.
you.
We've got peanut butter and jelly over here.
Peanut butter jelly. Actually, it's our favorite combination, isn't it? Since last time we went to New York, it was.
So just going to take one out. This is what they look like. Just a mini donut covered in.
Yeah, covered in something.
Covered in some sort of sugar.
Cheers. I don't taste the peanut butter.
Neither do I. It tastes more like plain sugar donuts. So, yeah, not sure about that one. Just sugar.
Can't taste any cream or jelly.
Yeah, not what it says on the tin.
No. Right, next flavor. Let's. We hope it's gonna be more exciting.
Yeah, let's hope so. Very interesting flavours. What's this one? So this one is purple cake with which is the bacon, maple and potato one.
Yeah, so it's very loud here. I hope you can hear us.
Definitely smells starchy.
I can smell the potato. Oh, I just realized we've got 2 of each flavour, isn't it?
3.
Oh, it smells weird actually.
Yeah, this might be a bit of
It smells a
interest.
bit old.
I think it's better than the other one, but
You can definitely taste more flavour here. It tastes like potato.
yeah, I'm not sure about the maple. But it's definitely better than the other one.
It tastes more like a savoury donut, I would say, right?
It's not, doesn't feel wrong at all. Not bad.
Definitely different. And we like trying.
And it's not disgusting.
No, it's not disgusting.
We're worried about.
Okay, our next flavour is Urban Monkey. And it was what? It was coffee, coconut,
And banana.
and banana. Really weird
That's an
combination.
interesting one, yeah.
Alright,
The smell.
shall I give one to you?
Thank you. Okay. I can smell the coconut.
Oh, I can smell coconut and a bit of coffee actually. Alright, let's try.
it.
Oh wow.
Okay, interesting.
What the hell?
It's a bit weird.
I actually can taste the banana.
Yeah,
It's a really different weird combination actually.
It is weird. You taste the coffee though. Not sure
It's
I
like
can.
pizza, but no.
I'm not sure.
I would say it's my least favorite so far, but it does have more flavor.
Yeah, I prefer the one before. This is a bit strange.
Very strange, weird combination. Yeah, not sure. Okay, last flavor, which is Paris time. This was lavender and what? Oh, pistachio. Lavender.
Pistachio and something else.
Sounds very.
Sounds very nice. So high hopes for this one.
Oh, it actually really smells like lavender here.
That's it. Thank you. Ooh, wow, it smells lovely.
Oh, I'm not sure about lavender in desserts, but
Yeah, no, we're gonna give it a try.
Oh wow, lavender really comes through.
It's very strong.
Very strong.
Very strong lavender taste. It's unique though.
I can't taste any pistachio.
No, or anything else for that matter. Just lavender.
But out of flavors, this is the only one that came like what it said.
Really came through, yeah.
Whoa, very lavendery.